68 years old. Yeah, yes.
Ever felt stuck in a rut, physically drained, mentally unmotivated, no matter what you try? It's not just in your head. You're trapped in what experts call a sedentary death spiral. It starts small, a missed workout here, a skipped walk there, but over time, it snowballs. Muscles weaken, energy dips, and before you know it, even the thought of getting active feels impossible. You see, a sedentary lifestyle doesn't just rob you of strength, it rewires your motivation, making it harder to climb out of the downward spiral. But here's the truth: the secret lies in how you fuel your body. Not all supplements are created equal, and relying on cheap, unverified products that only adds to the problem, leaving you frustrated and no closer to breaking free. That's why understanding what you put into your body is so critical. You're choosing not just your health, but your energy, your mental clarity, and your ability to fight back against the spiral. Research backed, well formulated supplements give your body the tools it needs to rebuild, recharge, and reignite your motivation. So if you've been struggling to find the right solution or feeling overwhelmed by flashy marketing claims, now's the time to take charge. You'll learn how to read labels, spot the red flags, and discover supplements proven by science, not hype. Take the first step toward breaking free. Because every day you wait, the spiral pulls you further away from the life you deserve. Discover how to make informed, confident choices for a healthier, more energized you. You'll finally break free from the sedentary death spiral and reclaim the active, vibrant life you've been missing. Scan this QR code or input website URL in your browser to explore further. Don't let another day slip by. Your journey to renewed energy and motivation starts now.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami. All right, there you go. These are your age group athletes. 2020.